Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens. There is something truly fascinating about the way great design continues to evolve. Every year, new ideas emerge that challenge conventional thinking and redefine how we experience the spaces around us. The most inspiring environments are no longer created by focusing on a single element. Instead, they are shaped by the perfect balance of innovation, comfort, beauty, and functionality. Today, we explore a world where creativity meets craftsmanship, where thoughtful design transforms ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. Modern architecture and luxury living are no longer just about appearance. They are about creating environments that feel welcoming, inspiring, and connected to the people who use them every day. Across the globe, designers and visionaries are finding new ways to blend advanced materials, timeless aesthetics, and intelligent planning. The result is a new generation of spaces that feel effortless yet sophisticated. Every detail serves a purpose, and every feature contributes to a larger vision of comfort and harmony. One of the most exciting aspects of contemporary design is its ability to create a sense of balance. Strong architectural forms can coexist with soft textures. Clean lines can be complemented by organic shapes. Open spaces can feel both grand and intimate at the same time. This contrast creates visual interest while maintaining a sense of calm and refinement. Natural light continues to play a crucial role in shaping beautiful environments. As daylight moves through a space, it reveals textures, highlights materials, and creates an ever-changing atmosphere. Combined with thoughtful layouts and carefully selected finishes, it helps transform interiors and outdoor areas into places that feel vibrant and alive. Another defining characteristic of modern luxury is personalization. The most memorable spaces are those that reflect individuality while maintaining a timeless appeal. Rather than following temporary trends, successful designs focus on quality, craftsmanship, and enduring beauty. These principles ensure that a space remains relevant and inspiring for years to come. Technology is also becoming an increasingly seamless part of contemporary living. When integrated thoughtfully, it enhances convenience without overwhelming the overall design. The best innovations work quietly in the background, supporting comfort and functionality while preserving elegance and simplicity. As lifestyles continue to evolve, so do expectations for the spaces we inhabit. People are seeking environments that encourage relaxation, foster connection, and provide a sense of escape from the demands of everyday life. Designers are responding with creative solutions that prioritize well-being, flexibility, and lasting value. What makes exceptional design truly remarkable is its ability to evoke emotion. A well-crafted space can evoke a sense of wonder, tranquility, excitement, or comfort. It can transform routine moments into memorable experiences and turn familiar surroundings into places that feel extraordinary. Thank you for joining us on Modern Homes and Gardens. If you enjoy discovering innovative ideas, inspiring architecture, and the future of luxury living, be sure to stay connected for more captivating journeys into the world of exceptional design. Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and keep finding inspiration in the spaces around you.